Hey everybody, welcome to Big E's Auto. I'm Big E. So again, we've been doing some work on the C4. I'll first go over something I didn't do a video on, which I should have. But I don't know if you can see the roof. We put a stripe. We got it so it doesn't look like a golf ball. So that was something what we did, and we added the stripes obviously to match the car better. So something to check out. Just adds a little pizzazz. 3 coats of base, 3 clear. We got the wacky dog now too to deal with. But anyway, the video is about we did enough. Got yelled at the dog. We centered up the. Remember we did the video on the steering column. We put another steering wheel on. So we centered the steering wheel. We knew this was going to be off a little bit, so we went ahead and did a toe adjustment. Obviously by using the strings. Using a tape measure, our grease plates, all that stuff. So we centered it up, and so our adjustment is down here. Here's your nut. It's a 22 millimeter nut. Okay, so I made the adjustment. I didn't tighten the nut yet, but here, hopefully I didn't bang into the strings. So we have here, looks like 3.5. Looks like about 3.5. So we're gonna go on the other side. I don't know my strings. We're gonna have 1 inch there, and we have 1 inch there. So that gives us the 0 toe that we're looking for here on this. So I might have to double check that. So anyway, so that's the adjustment for that. So basically what you want to do, you have a 22 millimeter nut here. Okay, so you're going to loosen that up. Now I just used the channel locks to turn your inner tie rod. Okay, this is your outer tie rod, inner tie rod. This is your lock nut. So you want to turn this. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you make the rod shorter, you get toe in. You make it longer, toe out, so forth and so on. So we have 0 toe now on both left and right side, and we have our steering wheel centered. So that should be the right adjustment to keep it the way it should be. So when you're going down the road, it should be, the tire should be straight. So you're not scrubbing off rubber inside or outside shoulders of your tire. So I just wanted to touch up with you guys. It's been a while since I did a video, so now that we got that alignment done, we should be in good shape. So anyway, that's all for today. So watch it, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Oh, you can check me out on Instagram on Big E's Garage. Also Facebook on Big E's Auto on Facebook. I'll post links on there and things like that for videos and any other pictures or projects that are going on. So anyway, like and subscribe, watch out for each other, take care of each other. We'll see you next time right here on Big E's. Bye for now.